Alright everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am speaking very closely into the camera today because get off of that, buddy. Because my microphone just completely stopped working. So we have an update. We now only have one duck. And we are going to be rehoming Pickles soon. Because she can't be by herself. So, ducks are social creatures, so she needs to be with some people. So what happened? Well, Friday night, everything was fine. The ducks were good. We all went to bed. They were sleeping in their little home that we have for them. And then we woke up in the morning, came out, and my husband came out, and I came downstairs, and he came inside the house and said, "Our ducks are dead." So they got really scared in the middle of the night because an animal came and attacked them. So that's why Pickles is really sketchy right now. But two of the ducks were found floating in the water here. Pickles was still in here, but she was alive, barely hanging on. But yeah, Pickles is the only one that survived, and one of the baby ducks got its head bitten off, and I have no idea what kind of animal it was that came into our backyard, but we only have one duck now. So what is going to happen is that we are going to be rehoming Pickles soon, and holding her and just being around her is the only way that she'll be quiet. So she's been traumatized, and look, she's looking around. I don't know, she's fine. She was pretty traumatized. Pretty traumatized. She can't be outside by herself for very long anymore. If you leave her alone, she gets very noisy. It's just, she wasn't hurt or anything, but in the water, in the middle of the night, it was in the 50s. So it wasn't cold out, but I'm certain that the water was just too cold for them. So I think the other ducks, they might have not had enough fat on them, or they just got really scared and they just died in the water. Pickles was still in the water, but my husband got to her in time, and we just held her and wrapped her up in towels and blankets, and then once she stopped shivering, I gave her a warm bath to kind of rinse all the mud and everything off of her. But so that was Saturday. Today is Monday, and now she is not happy. I mean, she looks fine right now, but she just Mag, do you want to put some water in the ground for her so she can soak up some of that water? She's trying. Alright, so it's been kind of cold here lately, and rainy and everything looks good. Things are growing. Look at how pretty this is. super pretty. Tomatoes are looking good. Bell peppers are coming in nicely, I hope. So, my son likes to take the boards apart. Let me see, what else? Yeah, everything looks good. Everything's growing well. They're liking the amount of water that we've been getting lately. So, okay. Yeah, she can't be by herself. She likes to be near everybody. Yeah, so that's everything's I gotta grow some more things, and I'm gonna be working on planting some things here shortly, and I guess I'll have to take all this down that I did last week. So it's sad. Oh my gosh, look, is this grass that's growing over here? Or is this weeds? It is grass. Look at that. That's grass. Finally, grass is growing. There's grass growing here, and that is pretty exciting. So there's tons of grass seeds, so excuse me, I'm happy about it. I'm glad that there's, being here has brought life back into the soil. Although we've lost a couple of animals here and there, we still got some good stuff going. Grass is coming in, fruits and vegetables are coming in. So we'll, just keep living. It's that wild tomato plant. Look at her. All right. So that is it for now. We've been kind of, sad with losing three of our ducks, and now we're gonna bring home pickles. So at least we got the chance to get to experience what it was like to have ducks and to raise ducks. That is it for now. Thank you for watching. Sorry, it's been a while since I've done a video, so we'll get back into it shortly with the weather change and everything like that, and getting our fall things growing. But until next time, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. We'll talk to you later. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Peace. Pickles. My poor baby, she's so traumatized. You can't even walk by her really fast without her freaking out.